This morning, a dozen hospitals across the country are trying to identify patients who may have gotten a dangerous infection from a traveling medical technician.
So far, 30 victims have been identified. And in New Hampshire alone, as Michelle Miller reports, officials want to test almost 5,000 patients for hepatitis C.
Officials say David Kwiatkowski was a serial infector.
He was working for a kind of a temp agency that would send people from place to place. So he worked in many different hospitals, probably a half dozen different places over the last couple of years.
One of his alleged victims spoke to CBS affiliate WBZ.
You know, my daughter just got married. She's going to have children in the future. Who knows if I'll be around for them.
Kwiatkowski, 33 years old, is believed to have tested positive for hepatitis C in June of 2010. He was last employed as a lab technician at Exeter Hospital in New Hampshire, where authorities say he stole fentanyl, a powerful painkiller, and also exposed patients to the virus. It's called drug diversion, in which he stole narcotics intended for a patient and injected himself with it, contaminating the syringe. He then refilled the syringe with a different substance, such as saline, which was then injected into the patient, passing on the virus. Kwiatkowski's parents told the FBI that he took a lot of prescription drugs. His co-workers were worried about behavior that was unusual.
Observed him sweating, observed him red-faced, bloodshot, and according to one witness, unfit to provide medical care.
Once infected, the hepatitis C virus travels through the bloodstream and attacks the liver. The virus continues to replicate and can damage or shut down normal liver function. The virus may eventually cause scarring of the liver, called cirrhosis, greatly increasing your risk of developing liver cancer.
How did it happen? How did they let it happen?
Kwiatkowski is currently in custody, accused of acquiring a controlled substance and tampering with a consumer product. Meanwhile, public health officials in 8 states are retracing his steps and urging thousands of people to get tested, scrambling to find everyone who may have been infected. For CBS This Morning, Michelle Miller, New York.